How to manage your money so you never go broke. Are you sick of living from paycheck to paycheck and worried about money all the time? What if you could learn easy, foolproof ways to get back in charge of your money and make sure you never go broke again? We'll talk about some important money management tips in this video that can change your financial situation and help you build a safe, stress-free future. Develop the skills necessary to achieve financial independence and ensure your future. Put your own needs first. The practice of paying oneself first is one of the most important steps to take when it comes to efficiently managing one's financial resources. By setting aside a portion of your earnings for savings, you are laying the groundwork for a financially stable future for yourself. Prioritizing your financial well-being over spending money on things that aren't necessary is really crucial. In spite of the fact that it could be tempting to indulge in luxury things or to eat out frequently, putting your attention on developing your savings can offer you with long-term stability and security. Beginning with the act of setting aside a portion of your salary for savings is the first step in establishing a foundation for financial stability. This method not only enables you to work toward accomplishing your financial objectives, but also guarantees that you will have a safety net in the event that you incurred expenses that were not anticipated. A portion of your salary should be set away for savings. When you commit to saving a certain amount of money from each paycheck, you are making a promise to yourself and to the financial stability you will have in the future. Put your financial well-being ahead of spending money on things that aren't necessary. Despite the fact that it is simple to become enamored with the attraction of material items, putting your attention toward the accumulation of savings can give you with a sense of financial security and peace of mind. Start laying the groundwork for long-term financial security. You may build a strong financial foundation that will assist you in weathering any unexpected financial issues that may come your way by designing and implementing a savings plan that is both effective and efficient. It is important to keep in mind that paying yourself first is not just about trying to save money. It is also about taking charge of your financial future and constructing a path that will lead to long-term financial security. In order to build the road for a future that is both financially secure and financially satisfying, you should make saving money a priority and be careful of the habits you have regarding spending. Create a fund for unexpected expenses. A financial safety net can be the difference between success and failure in today's unpredictable environment, especially when it comes to dealing with unforeseen costs. For the purpose of avoiding sliding into debt during difficult times, it is essential to make the preparation of finances for unexpected expenses a top priority. Let's look into the most important parts of putting together a fund for unexpected expenses. Be sure to set aside some money for unforeseen costs. Create an emergency fund so that you can have the resources to meet any unforeseen bills that may come your way. This is one of the primary reasons for having an emergency fund. In the event of an unexpected medical emergency, unplanned house maintenance, or unexpected car repairs, having savings set aside particularly for these events can bring a sense of peace of mind. It is possible to gradually build up the financial cushion that can be utilized in times of need if you consistently save aside a percentage of your salary. Your goal should be to save enough money to cover your living expenses for at least 3 to 6 months so that you may make sure you are ready for any unexpected events that may arise. Establish a safety net for unexpected financial circumstances. The establishment of an emergency fund serves as a safety net that can assist in shielding you from the adverse effects that unforeseen occurrences can have on your finances. It is possible to lessen the stress that is connected with financial problems by having savings that are easily available. This is in contrast to relying on credit cards or loans during times of emergency. Your ability to deal with unexpected costs without jeopardizing your long-term financial objectives is made possible by having a specific fund set aside for emergencies. As a buffer, it protects you from the impact of any unexpected financial shocks that may occur, such as the loss of a job unexpectedly, unexpected medical bills, or any other financial shocks that may arise. When times are tough, you should avoid getting into debt. When circumstances are difficult, such as when the economy is uncertain or when people are going through difficult times in their personal lives, the likelihood of sliding into debt is increased. It is possible for individuals to resort to borrowing money at high interest rates in order to cover unforeseen bills if they do not have an emergency reserve organized. If you take the initiative to establish an emergency fund, you can protect yourself from the possibility of having to incur further debt in the event that you are confronted with unforeseen circumstances. The proactive approach to financial preparation that you are taking can assist you in weathering storms without jeopardizing your long-term financial stability to any degree. When it comes to effective financial management, one of the most important components is the establishment of an emergency fund. It is possible to improve your financial resilience and stability by putting money aside for unforeseen expenditures, establishing a safety net for financial crises, and avoiding sliding into debt during difficult times. You should put your money to work for you. It's absolutely necessary to exercise sound financial management in order to achieve both financial stability and success. Putting your money to work for you can be accomplished by adopting calculated actions, which will allow you to establish a strong foundation for your future. In order to increase your money and ensure your financial well-being, let's delve into some of the most important strategies. Use index funds as a passive growth investment vehicle. Investing in index funds is one of the most efficient ways to systematically increase your money without actively doing anything. An index fund is a type of mutual fund or exchange-traded fund that is designed to mirror the performance of a particular market index, such as the S&P 500. Index funds are also known as correlation funds. You are able to diversify your portfolio and take advantage of the overall development of the market if you invest in index funds. In contrast to actively managed funds, which necessitate consistent monitoring and decision-making, index funds provide investors with a hands-off management approach to investing. This passive technique not only helps you save time and effort, but also helps lower investment fees, which enables you to maximize your returns over the long run so that you may achieve your goals. Through astute investments, you can generate additional income. Once you have formed a strong foundation with index funds, you can then investigate additional intelligent investment alternatives to further increase the amount of wealth you possess. Depending on your financial objectives and the amount of risk you are willing to take, you might want to think about diversifying your portfolio by purchasing individual stocks, bonds, real estate, or other assets. In order to make intelligent investments, it is necessary to undertake extensive research, maintain awareness of current market trends, and consult with certified financial advisors when necessary. It is possible to increase the amount of money you create and establish a reliable source of passive income if you make judgments based on accurate information and maintain discipline in your approach to investing. Long-term financial growth and stability should be your primary focus. When it comes to establishing long-term success, it is essential to prioritize long-term financial growth and stability, despite the fact that the attraction of rapid rewards may be attractive. Try to avoid giving into the volatility of the market or chasing short-term trends, both of which can result in rapid gains but also carry a higher level of risk. Instead, make consistency, patience, and a good financial strategy that is in line with your own objectives and aspirations your top priorities before anything else. You are able to construct a financially robust future that is able to survive economic obstacles and swings if you remain committed to your long-term vision and make solid financial decisions along the way. Take into consideration that the path to achieving financial independence and stability is a marathon, not a sprint. You have the ability to create the road for a prosperous and satisfying financial future by putting your money to work for you through the use of strategic investments and a disciplined approach to wealth management. Investing and adopting frugal habits are both important. Let's take a deep dive into the world of frugal living and astute financial decisions. It is possible to set the road for a more financially secure future by adopting behaviors that contribute to frugal living. The first step toward increasing one's savings and accumulating wealth is to reduce the amount of money spent on expenses that are not necessary. It all comes down to making deliberate decisions that put your long-term financial well-being at the forefront of your priorities. It is essential to make investments in your future. It is possible that the choices you make regarding your finances now will have a substantial impact on your future. The most important thing is to get started right away, whether it be by putting aside a portion of your income for investments or by investigating various investment opportunities such as stocks or mutual funds. Over the course of time, the power of compounding may work wonders, resulting in an exponential growth of your wealth. A game changer is the process of increasing your wealth via the use of strategic investments and savings. It is not enough to simply put money aside for a rainy day. You should also make sure that you are prepared for a comfortable retirement later on. You are able to put your money to work for you more effectively if you diversify your assets and keep yourself updated about the prevailing market trends. Get into the habit of being frugal in order to reduce the amount of money you spend on things that aren't required, to make prudent financial choices by investing in your future, and to increase your wealth through strategic investments and savings. If you found this video helpful and want to stay updated with more tips and tricks on managing your money and achieving financial freedom, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon.